Hi, I'm Brett, and today we've got a video update on the Ford RS. Now, this is the car that has recently gone on sale in Australia. It's the current model. Here we are in 2017. Now, we've been quietly doing some R&D on this model in combination with the owner, who also gets a lot of R&D done with Whiteline, as you can see by the logo on the front. So we're pretty lucky to have access to this car with an unlimited amount of time. It's got some modifications done to it prior to the customer getting involved with us and Whiteline, and what we've got an opportunity with the Racerom technology is to do some custom tuning in the factory ECU, do some comparisons to some other maps that are available from overseas, because we know this car is a very popular car overseas, but great opportunity here in Australia. So whilst it's here in our dyno, we're going to do some testing. I'm not going to publish any dyno data yet because the access to the factory ECU is incredibly complex, and it does take a considerable amount of time for us to get our base data and some reliable updates done first, but we will give you some updates shortly on this particular model, so stay tuned. And of course, share this video. We'll give you some updates on the Ford RS as well as the ST, which we'll do another video update on soon. But for today, my name is Brett Middleton. Thanks for watching.